Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome again. Sit and relax. This is where food comes exciting. Sure Gold, sponsored by Goldminearoma. This is all about pies. You know, I told you guys you can revert to my previous video where we've taught how to make the fillings, how to make the dough. So now we're going to make different kind of pies, and one of it today is sausage roll. Your rolls can be in any different form, just like you have your beef roll. You'll be different. We are going to go to another video to make a beef roll so that you can understand it. It's going to be a little bit different. It's just the same meat, like the one you will use for meat pie, but not cooked. So that is beef roll, and this one is sausage roll. Now, one thing about this sausage roll that I know, guys, is it's already been seasoned. For your info, it has already been seasoned, so you won't need no seasoning in it again. If you're going to need anyone, very mild, very little, so that your fillings won't be so salty. And this one, I don't put no fibers, I don't put no vegetables in it. So I only have my onions, so I pour my onions in it. Then I do spice. I like to do it. I like to make this. I actually like to make it spicy. And just 1 tablespoon. It's okay. Then I turn it. The flour is actually to brand it. I told you. There you go.
Yes.
Hmm?
And go.
So guys, this is a sausage roll, and this is ready. I've already told you all the things you need to know on the description below, or is it descriptive below? Below. I'm actually too tired now to talk. So guys, share, like, and comment. You know, this is a sausage roll, crunchy pies and the like. So everything you need. Ask questions. We always there. Thanks for all the questions that has been rolling in. We're always there to answer your questions. So guys, like, share, subscribe, and see you in another video. Bye for now.